Welcome to short, and this let me mm, control C. Let's do it quickly. And today I want us to discuss about popularity or analyzing popularity of programming languages. But see, we have been using this data. So now we are not going to use this data anymore. We are going to use another type of data, and we are going to use all these from scratch. We import pandas, we import that data that I'm going to share in this platform. And the question that we are going to ask is such as the following. We are going to analyze this data in the form of charts using analyzer from the not analyzer but views view, visualizer from the Matplotlib, which is coming from the pandas, and it will be able to give us charts of uh, different data according to how popularity they are. Talk about line graphs here. So we are going to style all that in this topic. So these are questions that you may ask, and you may ask which is the oldest programming language that's still in use today, this fountain, and also which is the most programming language which people cannot skip a day without talking about. The most popular is JavaScript, right? So let's meet next time.